When I did the strip surgery about 2 years back, it was turmoil for me, honest to God, because when I was doing the surgery, I was in pain. I was screaming, shouting, and things were happening to my head. And if it had gone for another few hours, I would have committed suicide. But then when DHI was happening to me, I was enjoying myself. I didn't even feel there was a surgery which was going on. I was watching television, I was sending BBMs, I was singing songs, talking to my friends. And after the strip surgery, I couldn't step out because my head was swollen. Suddenly my forehead was swollen, then my cheeks were swollen, then my neck got swollen, whatever. I was just seeing swelling all over. And after that, for a period of 10 days, I couldn't step out because of embarrassment of this whole swelling thing. As you noticed, 30 seconds back, these three doctors, I call them awesome threesome, were working on me. My face is not swollen at all. So pain is less, actually no pain at all, no swelling, easy procedure, and trust me, from a man who's had a disastrous strip surgery, with all due respect to people who work on strip surgeries, go for DHI, man. I'm being as sincere as I can.